He tokorua e whakamānawa tia ana e ngā kaipatu ahi o rotorua, mō tā rāua whakaora I tētahi tama I tōna whare e pau haere ana I te ahi. Hei tā te ratonga patuahi o rotorua, nā te māia me te manawa nui o tā rāua mahi, kei te whakaritea he tūranga mahi mō rāua, ki wainganui ngā kaipatuahi o rotorua.
He mihi aroha na te whānau pani, ki nā tua tāngata e whakamānawa tia nei.
They have done an amazing job.
Nā wiremu te kaumā waru nā tau, rāua ko tōna tuakana henare ropata, rua te kaumā rua nā tau, tētahi tama I whakaora I tētahi whare ki rotorua, I mau I nā matikara o hine mahuika.
Without thinking, went in there and no thought for their own safety. They just knew that there were people in the home and they did the best that they could to get them out and they managed to get Arima out.
Nō reira I whakamihia ai rāua e nā kaipatuahi o rotorua.
We were there at the right time, so we did what any human would do.
Ko te māma o te tama a Dina Burrell, kāre I Waimarie I Mauke I te ahi.
I've got 5 young nephews now under 11 years age who don't have a mum. It's a tragedy.
Hei tāna kaipatuahi, he mai ana tokorua nei mea rāua mahi.
Not only have you saved a life, but you've saved it with your brother, and that's a real, it's going to be there forever for us too, and also the whānau.
Knowing my brother was behind me gave me the confidence. If I didn't come out, he would come in and get me, because that's how tight our bond is. So yeah, and I'd do the same for him.
Ki te hiahia te tokorua nei ki tētahi mahi patuahi, koe whakawātea hia he tūranga I te puku o te ika.
I'd say I'd make a good fireman. Yep. Yeah, the possibilities of the fire service. It's something I'd strive to be, and also my brother would love it in that sort of career path if he chose it.
Hei whakaaro pea mō tua o te awe māpara. Rapa ratawhai te karere.